The Volvo VOE12735651 is a transmission module which controls both the braking and shifting of gears for a G726b Grader. We received this module in from a customer that had a fault in the emergency brake circuit, which we did discover was faulty and not allowing for the transmission to be shifted into gear. We repaired the main issue and rebuilt the rest of the module, and then used our simulator to show it would properly shift into gears as shown in the video. We repair a wide range of construction equipment ECUs and display units, so please reach out if you have ones we do not list, as we are adding new modules weekly. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.